Listen up, you pathetic Hogians. I, the Joker, have scattered 26 bombs across this godforsaken town. From the pathetic Quahog Minimark to the even more pathetic Quahog High School, no place is safe. I've rigged them to blow at the most inconvenient times. Imagine your morning coffee turning into a fiery explosion. And don't even think about calling the bomb squad. They're too busy trying to figure out what the hell I am. Each bomb is connected to a different trigger. One sneeze at the wrong time, and boom, your face is gone. You think you're safe in your homes? Think again. I planted one under every bed. The mayor's office, boom. The local diner, boom. Even the damn library, where no one goes anyway, is going to blow. Well, got bombs in the sewers and the trees, and one particularly nasty one in the public toilets. And let's not forget about the Pawtucket Brewery. Imagine all that beer turning into a giant fireball. I've even hit one in the Quahog News studio. How's that for breaking news, Tom and Dine? The Quahog Mall will be nothing but a crater shop till you drop into oblivion.